Jai Gurudev, Hari Om. I, Vinay Satpute, welcome you all to the Global School of Happiness. As the name suggests, we happiness ambassadors are in a continuous pursuit of happiness. We learn, we practice, we teach, we propagate the scientific tools and techniques for every soul on this planet to achieve happiness. But sadly, the current scenario or the current status of our planet is disastrous. The basic amenities for the survival of a human being, that is pure air, pure food and pure water, are adulterated to the extent that in some cases it's reversible to bring back to normal form. So if you ask me what is the key to happiness, the key to happiness is nothing but a healthy mind along with a healthy body. But how do we achieve this in the current situation when the life is so hectic, stressful? We even get stressed for no reason. And in addition to this, new age, new viruses, some man-made, some natural, Ebola, SARS to COVID-19. So there is a rule to achieve healthy body and healthy mind. There are two rules. Rule number 1 is practice Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga, have healthy hygienic food along with the practice of the ancient science of mudras. And rule number 2 is to never break rule number 1. So now let's come to what are mudras. Mudras are gestures made by our hands called as hasta mudras, or gestures made by eyes and our body. Specifically, the Global School of Happiness deals with hand mudras, also called as the hasta mudras. Let us understand the basics of mudras. How does mudras work? For this, we have to understand the composition of our planet. Our planet is composed of 5 elements, also called as the Panchamahabhuta or the Panchatatvas. To begin with, the major composition of the earth is of water, it is ocean, followed by soil, that is earth. Above it is space or sky, and in it is air and fire. Similarly, a human body is made up of these 5 components, the Panchamahabhutas. And our fingers represent these 5 Panchamahabhutas. The thumb represents the Agni Tattva, that is fire. The index finger represents Vayu Tattva, that is air. The middle finger represents space, that is Akash Tattva. The ring finger represents Prithvi Tattva, that is earth, and the little finger represents Jala Tattva, that is water. These 5 elements are present in our fingers, and the combination of our fingers is nothing but mudras. Before the existence of any religion, our rishis have experimented and discovered these mudras to cure illnesses from acute diseases to chronic diseases, be it acidity, a normal headache, to cancers of different parts of the body. This is the way mudras work. Mudras work more faster than medicines. For chronic illnesses, you have to practice mudras along with whatever medication you are taking. Mudras have tremendously helped even patients who were suffering from COVID, as we have researched in last 1.5 years. So friends, there is no curriculum in the world which teaches mudras in a systematic and consolidated way. So the Global School of Happiness has come up with the Mudra Abhyas course, which has in all 5 sessions wherein we teach mudras for a common man like you and me to understand and grasp and practice daily in order to achieve a healthy body, a medicine-free body. The daily practice of mudras will not only bring your budget, your medicine budget to zero, but you will get tremendous immunity. This is the least we can do in the current situation. So, friends, the course is of 5 sessions. The first session we teach the basics of mudra, followed by the Tattva mudras. Then we have the pranic mudras, and the last 3 sessions are disease related mudras. So our recommendation is register for the course, have an overview of all the mudras, and then prepare a unique set for yourself, as every person has a unique body and is prone to a set of diseases. So prepare your set of mudras and start practicing daily. There are some do's and don'ts. Therefore, don't blindly follow any mudra on the internet, but study the mudras in a systematic way, the way Global School of Happiness has prepared this course for you. Friends, do it to believe it. Register for the course, be a happiness ambassador, and spread happiness. Jai Gurudev.